här är ju videotävling vi har nu i Italien.
Okej.
Fuck.
Ojos bonitos.
Ojos bonitos.
Bonitos.
Grábale, grábale.
¿Está grabando?
Ojos.
Bonitos.
Ojos.
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 Ojos bonitos.
Bonitos.
Sandra.
Chica guapa.
Chica guapa.
Chica guapa.
Beautiful girls. Chica guapa. Ojos.
Now I'm using
Ojos.
Ojos
Bonitos. Yeah.
And your name again?
Jessica.
Ojos bonitos.
Jessica. Hi.
So, how are you enjoying your trip here?
Yeah, alright.
A little better since you met the Swedish American guy, right?
It's fine. He's going to Brazil without me. Come on. How is that possible?
Yeah, you guys seem like a really happy couple. And I'm jealous.
She's great. I'm going to kiss him and...
Ojos bonitos, Ray.
Thank you.
You guys seem like a really happy couple. Säg något till kameran.
Du kan tjäna pengar på de bilderna.
Ja, det är klart. Yeah, we'll make money off this. Should I go and film him? I should go film the guy there. Of course, the big guy I said he had beautiful eyes. Of course, bonitos, my friends. You can zoom with this, it's pretty fucking chim. Of course, bonitos. Jessica.
Jessica, ojos bonitos.